I wonder if she's gonna even see this. Let's hope it doesn't fall.
Excuse me, what is so funny? Really? Why are you recording? Look, you want this on camera?
You can see your underwear.
What?
What do you mean? It's your t-shirt.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. That got your attention.
So what color is it?
It's blue.
You can see that on camera.
I don't know if you can see it on camera. Hello,
I
everyone.
thought there was a hole.
No. Can I keep that in?
Sure.
Our dad made a lot of ham the other day.
Maybe the other day. A week ago.
No, it hasn't been a
We've
week
been
yet.
eating ham for 10 days.
We are making this like leftover ham casserole dish. So Jen was shredding the cheese and I peeled some potatoes, but I have to peel more because I didn't peel enough. What are the ingredients, Jen?
Ham and potatoes. Butter.
3 tablespoons of butter. 6 cubed potatoes.
Why'd you memorize it?
2 cups of, I don't know, I just read the ingredients last night. So do you have any funny stories that you want to tell?
No, why would I?
Well, I mean,
What funny stories would I have?
I don't know.
We've been on lockdown for how long?
So I just finished with all the potatoes. Jen grated the cheese, and I'm gonna cut the ham. Yes. Okay.
Jessica.
Thank you, my love. My sweet love. Look who is up so early.
Are you gonna keep that?
Monkey. Monkey girl is up. Go wear this. Go wear your slippers.
I can't move around if I'm in my slippers.
That's so sweet.
I can't move around if I'm in my slippers.
Why?
That
It makes
said
lots of
these
noise.
Putty girl are going bad. In Trinidad they call them putty girl.
The oranges?
Yes. Dad said to me that the putty girls are going bad. I said, oh really? Lips. I'm not leaving. I'm gonna lick you.
I'm gonna make it burn.
Come, quick then.
There. Go.
Tell you something.
You've seen it first, folks. Jen gives kisses to her mommy.
Jess, it's Jella.
Why did you close that?
Why'd I close the cupboard? Because you're not using the cupboard. Okay. Do you like it?
Yeah, sorry. You like it?
It's spicy because of the jalapenos. And I like the crunch from the cornflakes. Hello. You're gonna be excited.
Are you excited?
No.
I'm too excited.
Well, go try it.
Potato?
Okay, I'm gonna go to my seat now. Mom left cheese on her plate. Do you like?
Like, nice.
Okay, thanks. Does she not know I'm recording?
You know she taping? Huh? You know she taping?
Make it.
Okay, I'm putting this down now.